guys, and today I'm going to show you guys some eyeliner hacks that are basically going to be a foolproof, and it's going to allow you to get the perfect winged liner. So before we get jumping into this tutorial, go ahead and subscribe down below, and otherwise if you guys want to see how to get the perfect wing liner, then let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about some eyeliner options before we jump into it. These are the three that I currently use. You got the Morphe gel liner from the bottom, the NYC liquid liner, which is really good for creating a matte black liner, and then the NYX liner, which comes in multiple options. And those I like, especially if you are a beginner to winged liner. So hack number one, sharp edges are your friend. Remember that. You can use a credit card. I'm going to use a gift card because it's what I had. But if you don't have that, if you can find a foundation bottle with a straight edge or anything that has a straight edge, that is what you're going to want to use. Then you're also going to want to use some sort of a nude pencil. So taking that nude pencil and then that sharp edge, whatever it is that you have, you're going to line it up to how you want your winged liner. Using that nude pencil, I'm going to start right at the bottom and then kind of leave a little bit of wiggle room and kind of put a dot as to where exactly I want my line to end. You can barely see it, which is why I wanted to use a nude liner. Then for hack number two, we're going to go in and we're going to line our eyes with our black liner. As you guys can see, I am starting out with the NYX liquid liner, and then using that straight edge from the gift card, I'm actually going to help myself create that really precise straight line. So now what we're going to do is take off that gift card, and now we're left with two lines. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to connect everything together and fill it in. As you guys can see, I have my head tilted slightly, and that allows me to make sure that I'm kind of creating a nice straight line. But then what you're going to see is I'm going to tilt my head the opposite way, and this is going to allow me to see if I have any little bumps kind of lifted, as you guys can see right there. And it creates a kind of a way for me to see what is wrong with my line. So now we're going to move into hack number three. So now what we're going to do is we are going to now darken that winged liner. We want to make it as matte black as possible. So we're going to go in with a matte black shadow, and I'm going to use a angled brush to do this. You can use any matte black shadow that you have. You just want to make sure it's super dark, and you're just going to go in on top of where you filled in your line, and this is going to intensify that black liner. It is one of my favorite tricks to use. Once we're done with that, we are going to go into hack number four. Now, concealer is not just used to cover up your under eyes. You can also use concealer and a really small brush to clean up that edge even further. You can also use a makeup remover, but I find that I like concealer because if you accidentally move your hand a little bit with makeup remover, you can risk ruining your eyeliner. So I find concealer to be a foolproof hack, and it's just going to make that ledge super sharp, as you guys can see. I'm going to finish off my eyes with some lashes, and that there are my tips and hacks for creating a perfect wing liner every time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye.